My job? It's more of a hybrid. A little bit of everything. You could say I live in three worlds: the lab, the field, and then the desk. First, there's the lab. This is where we help deliver solutions. We're constantly testing, analyzing, and developing new formulations and tweaking existing ones. We see the problems firsthand, and we're the ones finding the solutions at a molecular level. Then there's the field. I'm out there working alongside the mud engineers, troubleshooting issues, and making sure our lab-developed new technologies are translating into real-world results. It's about taking the theoretical and making it practical, seeing the direct impact of our work. And finally, there's the desk. That's where I dive deep into data, analyzing trends, and tackling those unique, complex problems that don't fit into standard procedure. We're looking at the big picture, anticipating future challenges, and developing proactive solutions. At AES Drilling Fluids, we're not just specialists in one area, we're problem solvers. It's about being fluid, adaptable, and always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's fluid-driven efficiency.